Would you like to learn how to make some delicious sweet chili salmon? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Let's get started with this sweet chili salmon recipe. The exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. The first thing that I'll do is squeeze a little fresh lemon juice all over the salmon. You know, lemon pretty much goes well on all seafood. It just gives it that delightful citrus zing. The next thing that I'll do is create a seasoning paste for the salmon. I have some melted butter in my bowl and I'm going to add some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comments section. But if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. I'm also going to add a little Salmon Magic because it's magically delicious. And next I'll add in a little Old Bay too. And then I'll break out my trusty whisk and give everything a good stir. Once I get it all mixed up well, then I'll proceed to add it to the salmon, just like so. The next thing I'll do is make a chili sauce for the salmon, but I'm keeping it simple with this video and using a store-bought chili sauce. However, if you did want to make your own, I got you. Recipe above. You're welcome. So now I'll add some sweet chili sauce to a bowl, as well as some garlic paste, and give it a stir. And then next I'll add the sweet chili sauce to the salmon and brush it in real good. I also like to add on top red onions and multicolored bell peppers. It's best to bake your salmon on a wired rack. That way the salmon is elevated and it's not sitting in its juices, and it will allow the air to flow through freely and help the skin to crisp up. Then you want to bake your salmon at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 140 degrees. And after that, she's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. This salmon really did come out super yummy. Just packed with flavor, loaded with deliciousness. Well, I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Lisa, help me please, yeah. You got what I need, yeah. Help me split these peas, yeah. You got recipes, damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn,